Hello everyone, very good day to all of you. We are back with another lesson and today we'll be talking about plotting linear equation. Now, a linear equation will take the form y equals mx plus c, where c is the intercept and m is our slope. Now in this case, let's consider this example 2x minus 1. In this example, minus 1 is our intercept, 2 is our slope. Let's draw this graph. In order to draw this graph, we need to have 2 points. Let's substitute values for x and obtain values for y. Let's substitute minus 1 for x. When x is minus 1, y is minus 3. Because minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. When x is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we can plot our graph. When x is minus 1, y is minus 3. That is this one. When x is 1, y is 1. We draw our graph. And this is y equals 2x minus 1 graph. Now as per the graph, our intercept is 2 and this is a positively sloped graph. Now let's see how we can calculate slope of the graph using an equation. Now our equation is y equals 2x minus 1. We know from our earlier discussions that when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. When x is 1, y is also 1. Now the slope is equal change in y. Change in y. Change is denoted by delta sign. Delta y divided by delta x. That is minus 3 minus divided by minus 1 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Therefore, we get our answer as plus 2. In this case, our slope is positive. Now let's consider some of the concepts related to straight lines. Now we know the slope and the intercept of the function. If the slope is equal, let's say 2x minus 3, then we will have a parallel graph. That means if two lines are parallel, their slopes should be equal. The intercepts may differ, like in this case minus 1 and minus 3. However, the slopes should be the same. Now let's draw y equals minus 2x minus 3 graph. In this case, we know the intercept is already minus 3. We need to find another value for y. Let's say when x is 0, what is the value of y? Let's say when x is 1, what is the value of y? 2 into 1 is 2, minus 3 is minus 1. That is when x is 1, y is minus 1. Here we have our point. Therefore, we have our graph something like this, and this is y equals 2x minus. So the concept to learn here is if two graphs are parallel, their mx term should be equal. Now let's consider another scenario. Let's say we have to deal with two lines, and those are 2x plus 1 and y equals minus 0.5x minus 5. Now in this case, I'm going to evaluate whether these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now if two lines are perpendicular, that means those lines will form 90-degree angles. But however, in order to evaluate whether these lines are perpendicular, we need to take our m1 as 2, m2 as minus 0.5. If two lines are perpendicular, that means if they form 90-degree angles when they cross, m1 multiplied by m2 should equal minus 1. In this case, m1 is 2, m2 is minus half, that is minus 0.5, and this will exactly give us minus 1. 2 multiplied by minus half is minus 1. Therefore, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Now, the learning point is, if two lines are perpendicular, m1 multiplied by m2, that is gradient 1 multiplied by gradient 2 should equal to minus 1. Consider this straight line, y equals minus 2x minus 1. Now we know the intercept of the function is minus 1. If we plot this straight line, when x is 0, y is minus 1. Let's see, when x is 1, y should be minus 3. Let's plot the straight line on our graph. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, y is minus 1. We are here. And when x is 1, y is minus 3. So if we draw it would be something like this. Now this is y equals to minus 2x minus 1. Note that minus sign before x. In this case, our m equals to minus 2. In our earlier cases, m was equal to plus 2. If the gradient is negative, our straight line will slope downwards. If the gradient is positive, our straight line would slope upwards. Let's consider another concept. Suppose we have a function such as y equals 2x. Now, if we substitute values for x, we get when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 2. Now, this function goes through the origin. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 2. We draw the line, go to the origin, and note that it is still parallel to all other positively sloped lines, because in this case also our value for m is still 2. Let's consider another concept related to straight lines. Look at this equation, y equals to 2. Now in this case, if we draw our line, it will be a straight line. In this case, m is equal to 0. Let's consider another aspect related to straight lines, that is x equals to 3. Now in this case, we have a graph that is parallel to the y-axis. Now in this situation, our m is infinity. Now these are some of the concepts related to straight lines. We considered the slope, we considered the intercept, we considered the concept of parallel lines, we considered the concept of perpendicular lines, and also we considered special lines where m was equal to 0 and m was equal to infinity. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button below. Do put your comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.